Political science topic sovereignty problems in the location of sovereignty. What is the best definition of sovereignty? The supreme power of a state to make and enforce laws within its territory. Who is considered the father of the modern concept of sovereignty? John Baldwin. Which of the following best describes internal sovereignty? The power of state and govern without external interference. One of the major challenges in locating sovereignty in a modern democracy is the division of power among various institutions. According to the Austin's theory, sovereignty resides in the legally supreme authority, often the legislature. One of the main criticisms of the concept of absolute sovereignty is that it does not allow for democracy and checks on power. In a federal system, sovereignty is divided between the central and regional governments. The impact of globalization on sovereignty is that it reduces absolute state control due to international laws and organizations. Popular sovereignty means that sovereignty rests with the people who elect the representatives. A key problem with the concept of sovereignty in the modern world is the influence of international organizations and multinational corporations. Law sources kinds and relationships with morality. What is the prime function of law in society? To maintain order and regulate behavior. Which of the following is not a recognized source of law? Divine intervention. Which type of law is made by legislature? Statutory law. Judicial precedents refer to decisions made by courts that serve as guidelines for further cases. The idea that law should be based on moral principles is most closely associated with natural law theory. Which of the following is not a type of law? Logical law. The difference between criminal law and civil law is that criminal law focuses on punishable offenses, while civil law resolves private disputes. Which of the following best describes constitutional law? Laws governing the structure and powers of government. How does morality influence law? Law are often based on moral values accepted by society. What is the main difference between legal obligations and moral obligations? Legal obligations are enforceable by law, while moral obligations are based on personal conscience.